Today we're going to talk about side hustles. Either if you're looking to save for a big purchase, or if you just want to boost your income, or you would like to pay debt faster, any of the side hustle that we're going to talk about today I guarantee you will help you do that. So stay tuned until the end. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Bill. I created this channel to help you guys to become financially free. I have more than 10 years in a corporate finance experience working for a Fortune 500, and I also became net worth millionaire before my age of 40. So if this is the content that you like, please, I ask you to like and subscribe the video. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps the channel grow. So let's start the video. All right, so first up is freelancing. If you have a set of skills that it could be done remotely, like you're a pretty good writer, or you're a designer, a video editor, or social media guru, there's plenty of platforms out there that will help you to get exposure for companies to hire you, and places like Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. If you have a set of skills like this, definitely this is a path that you should take. It might take you a little bit longer to build up your portfolio, but it will be, in the long run, it will pay out. I guarantee you that. And just a quick tip, if you want to take this route of freelancing, when you're setting up your profile, make sure that you explain in detail your experience, your education, and also show some work that you have done in the past. Also, don't be afraid to take the first couple of jobs for free. This will establish credibility, and it will also show confidence to future customers of your professionalism and quality of work. And then you can start increasing the price and be competitive within your market. If you're good at explaining things like math, English, guitar, or any instrument, online tutoring might be a good fit for you. There's sites like VAP Kids that allow you to teach kids all around the world, and the only thing that you need is a laptop. Most online tutoring gigs pays you between $15 to $30 an hour, and it's very flexible, and it's really rewarding knowing that you're teaching kids to develop their education or their hobbies. Another good side hustle is affiliated marketing. And affiliated marketing is basically that you earn money when you share a link of a product, and when someone comes and clicks through that link and buys something, then you will earn a small commission. So this is a pretty good side hustle to have if you have a big social media presence. Have you ever thought to have your own brand online? Print on demand makes this possible. Instead of you having to buy a big amount of inventory and keep it while it sells, print on demand, pretty much you put your design online, and then when somebody buys it, then it's manufactured and then it's shipped. So you don't have to invest a lot of money up front by having a lot of inventory. This is a pretty fun side hustle if you're creative, but you don't want to deal with inventory. So you can sell it through websites like Etsy or Redbubble. You know, there are plenty of websites where you can say, even if you have a YouTube channel, you can sell your own branding and advertise your channel that way. So it's another quite nice side hustle, and it's not 100% passive, but once you set it up and you have enough followers, and if you don't want to change your design that often, it's very, very passive. So you don't have to put a lot of effort into keeping it live and running and generating income for you. Love pets? Well, try pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover allows you to connect with pet owners, and you can provide your services by pet sitting or by walking their dogs, and it's a quite lucrative endeavor. And at the same time, you will be doing some exercise, so it will help your health. So it's a win-win to me. I have done that in the past, and it's pretty rewarding. Yeah, you meet a lot of good people, and it helps you to stay in shape. Another good things about pet sitting or dog walking is that it pays between $15 to $30 an hour, and if you live in a city, there's a lot of demand for people who do this type of side hustle. Virtual assistant work is another great side hustle. There's a lot of small to medium companies who are looking for a part-time employee for them to do some specific tasks like bookkeeping, secretary work, social media, areas like that. So if you have this set of skills, this is a great opportunity for you to tap into this because you can do it remotely. You can earn some good money doing this side hustle work. So if you have any type of work experience like that, especially for bookkeeper, I know there is a lot of companies right now that are looking for bookkeeping and secretary work. If you're good at selling things like ebook, templates, courses online, selling digital products could be a goldmine for you. Sites like Gumroad and Teachable allow you to upload your creation, your work, and sell it through their portals over and over and over again. This is a great side hustle because you have to put a little bit of effort up front to create the digital work, but once you have created and it's uploaded and it's running, you pretty much become a passive income. You don't have to pay more attention to it. You don't have to change it or modify it. As long as it's online and as long as you have a big social media follower that are interested in the product that you have created online, that will sell constantly and it will be in perpetuity pretty much. If you have a property in a good location, this is a great side hustle because it has the potential for you to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And what I'm talking about is just renting your property through Airbnb or other similar websites. The only bad thing about this side hustle is that it's not as hands-off approach as some of the other ones. This one you will have to be involved into the advertisement and the hands-on cleaning and maintenance of the property, unless that you pay another company to do that work for you. However, then of course your margins will decrease. So this is the only downside of this side hustle. But if you have a property that has the potential to earn you good money, put it to work for you. So this is another good idea that I have used in the past. Not as successful as I thought, but I know a lot of people have used them, has been very successful. If you love driving, ride sharing could be a great side hustle for you. You can use websites like Uber or Lyft or any other ones out there to help you generate some additional income. The good thing is that they're flexible and you can set up your own time, your own schedule. You can do it full time or you can do it part time. So it's very flexible and it will help you to generate some additional income. Some of the downsides of it is that, of course, you're putting a lot of miles into your car. Also, you have to let your insurance know that you're doing this type of work. So your insurance might go up, your car insurance might go up slightly. So these are a little bit of the downsides of doing this ride sharing. But if you like driving, this is a great side hustle. Also, you can do, I think it's called like Driver Eat or something, or Rider Eat, which is basically the same thing, but you're just delivering food to homes. That could be a better side hustle now because since you're not putting people in your car, you might have less risk of theft or any of the things that you see online. So many videos about people getting hit by passengers. So this is another nice side hustle. And maybe your insurance might not increase that much. I'm not 100% sure, but it's something that you need to consider. So in this case, the advantage is flexibility. And you can generate, I know a lot of people, they actually leave the full-time job is to drive for Uber or for Lyft or to deliver food to houses around. So this is a great side hustle for you to take in consideration. The reason why I put this video together is to show you that just like wealthy individuals, we can have multiple income sources. And none of these income sources will have to take a lot of your time. You just have to be creative and utilize the tools and the abilities that you have in order to serve your customer or to serve the public. So again, which of these side hustle you think you will be a good fit? Please leave me that in the comments below. And if you like this video, please I ask you again to like and subscribe. Remember, like I always said, forget about all the noise. Just focus on the fundamentals and you will be financially successful. I guarantee you. Thank you, and I see you next Sunday. Have a great day.